Look, thank God I haven't given it to anyone but my wife. Or she gave it to me, we don't really know. I took my doctor's advice and wore a face shield because of my claustrophobia. I thought it was a bad flu. I didn't know. I listened to the wrong people say the wrong things. I was wrong. Can't be more wrong. But to wish me death, to say I don't deserve to be treated, what is wrong with you people? We're supposed to love one another, pray for one another. I pray for all of y'all. I pray y'all don't get it. Just wear a mask. And if you're claustrophobic, get help so you can wear one.